Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. So as you guys can see, this is the very first unboxing of 2024. Happy New Year everybody. I hope your New Year went great. I hope you guys had a good time. Um, I hope all of the New Year resolution that you made for yourself come true this year. Anyway, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, come join the family. We talk about everything bag related from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And let's get into the first unboxing of 2024. Okay, guys. So as I stated, this is the very first unboxing 2024. I'm not even going to make you guys wait. Let's get right into unboxing it. And then we'll have a discussion after that, okay? So let me be careful opening this box. I have to go get my other box cutter because this is not working out. I need to get the other one, the safety one. Hold on. Okay. I don't want to cut too deep. Okay. Okay. So let's see if I cut enough. I am so excited, guys, about this item in this box. Okay. Okay. So oh yes, the box is open. So I did get this item from Saks Fifth Avenue. If you guys are aware, I did do an unboxing, I think like when I got back from my Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. And I got this from my Saks Fifth Avenue personal shopper, Yuri. You guys know that I got the toy Lulu in the denim from him as well. So I got this item from him. So let's see what it is. Okay, when you see the box, you kind of know the brand. So let's open this up. Another Valentino. Ah! Okay, let's get the item. The box is so huge for this. So let's move the box out the way. Okay. All right, guys. So I got a Valentino bag. You might know what it is. If you watch my other videos, you probably know what bag this is. But if you didn't watch it, stop this video. Go watch my 2024 wish list item. So I'm spoiling it. This is a wish list item for 2024. And I'll explain everything once I open it, okay? So as you guys can see, this is a Valentino box. Love me. Ah! Oh my God, this is... I can't wait. I'm so excited. As you can see, I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue. Okay, guys. Yeah, it comes with the best bag in the box because Yuri is so amazing. 3, 2, 1. Yes, guys. I got my Valentino one stud bag. You guys know I said was a wish list item. I wanted to get it in the all black. So I'm gonna tell you the reason why I got it, okay? So actually, Yuri posted, and Yuri always get me when he posts something with on Instagram, okay? So he posted this yeah, he posted this bag and a whole bunch of other bags that were on sale for Saks, right? So I know I had searched this Saks website and this bag was there. It was for, guys, guess how much it was for? That's I think 50% off, like up 50 to 60% off. Okay, so this bag usually retail above $2,000. Okay, I'm not sure. I'll put the correct price on the screen if I can find the correct price for this bag. Okay, but it usually retail above 2,000, like almost the probably like almost 3,000 kind of line. But like I said, I'll put the correct price. But anyway, so Saks had this on sale, guys. You want me to tell you the sale price? 1,400. Yeah, guys, $1,400. I think 1,460 to be exact. I'm not 100%, but I think that's what it was. So you reposted this, and I called them right away. I'm like, hey, I want that bag, because on the Saks website it was already sold out. So Yuri store was the only one that actually had this one on stock, and it was brand new in the box, everything with the dust, everything. Okay, so I called him. I was like, Yuri, I want that bag. Okay, I need that bag in my life. So he definitely did everything. Look, oh my God, guys, look at this bag. This bag is even pretty in person. Oh my God, guys. And the all black. Oh my God, guys. This leather feels so amazing. It feels so amazing. Oh my God. Look at this bag. Guys, look at this bag. This is the Valentino one stud bag. I think they have this in the mini or micro size. This is the regular size right here, guys. This bag is just beautiful. So like I stated, I did get it in all black, black on black. I think this is my receipt that you were put in here. Let me just make sure. Oh, he's just I'm telling you, Yuri is like the most amazing person. That's why I was so bummed when he left Louis Vuitton. Yeah, I think this is my receipt and the card for Valentino. When he left Louis Vuitton, because after that I really haven't really shopped at Louis Vuitton. But guys, look at this. Look at the chain detail, guys. OMG, this is beautiful. And you can just do it like this, a one-way thing like this, guys. Oh my God, guys. You can make a long crossbody. You can make it a shoulder bag. Look at this, guys. Look how beautiful this bag is. Oh my God. So, this is the new bag in the family, the Valentino one stud bag. I just think this bag is so beautiful. It's so simple, but it's so beautiful. And I was looking for this bag in the pre-love market, guys, and it's almost the same price as almost retail. It's above $2,000 on the pre-love market, right? So it does kind of have like that accordion style kind of um interior, but it's kind of a little bit different. So you got this big old one space right here. On the back there isn't really a pocket for this part right here. So you just got this space, and then you got this back pocket right here, and then you got the little small front pocket, which you can probably maybe put card holder or something. But this is the bag right here, guys. I'm so excited. Let me see. I'm filming on my 14 Pro Max, but let me see. I think this is my 12 Pro Max case. Oh, and it fit perfectly. Look at this, guys. It literally go in it, because that was one of the things I wasn't sure if it was going to fit. And it, guys, and there's still space left. So I am so, oh my God. Oh my goodness, oh my collection. You know, I don't know. It's like just this excitement when you buy a wish list item and you got it for such a great price. Like you got it for way below retail, like 50, almost 60% below retail. It just give it a little bit of a it gives it a little bit of a enjoyment to it. And like I was saying, the leather is so soft. So I think this will probably be prone to scratches. But honestly, guys, I don't care. Like I think this bag is so beautiful. As you can see right here, you see, I'm not sure if you can see like the little mark and stuff, but it's like it's what's supposed to be. But this is like perfect. It's perfect, guys. Like this bag, look at the corner, because that's what one thing I was like, look at the corner. Like this is, look at the corner, guys. Guys, look at this bag. It is in my collection. And like I said, I saw this bag on Meghan Markle. And I was in love with it. Like she had the cream version with the gold stud. And I was like, this bag is so beautiful. And a lot of people, that's another thing also that I noticed, a lot of people don't have, I don't see a lot of people with this bag on YouTube, and not really too many review about this bag. So if you guys are interested in this bag, or you want me to do a review, please let me know. But my first impression, this is my unboxing first impression. This bag is beautiful. The leather is so soft, but it might be prone to scratches because of how soft the leather is. But guys, this bag is just so beautiful. And like I stated, if you guys want me to do a review about this bag, please leave it in the comment below, and I would definitely love to do a review about the bag once I've used it. But guys, this bag is beautiful. And one thing about Valentino's hardware, oh my god, especially the chain, it is substantial. It's not heavy. It doesn't put too much heaviness on the bag, but it is substantial and it feels so good. You can tell it's not cheap. It's not a cheap chain. But guys, this bag is I cannot, guys. I cannot. And I got my wish list bag. The very first bag of 2024. It's a wish list bag. What? So guys, you already know I only have 3 more bags. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy them. But this just made up for it. The fact that I got it for 50-60% off. What? Anyway, guys, I just wanted to do this quick well, this video, my very first unboxing of 2024, which was a success and it's a wish list item. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Also, leave any comments or if you have any questions about this bag, and I would love to answer it for you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day.